Upgrade your ride with the 20 cool car gadgets that are worth buying on Amazon. From clever innovations to smart gadgets that make driving safer, easier, and more fun, these picks are designed to transform your car experience. Some of them are surprisingly versatile and can even be upgraded for extra convenience. Stick around till the end. You won't believe the final gadgets and how much they can completely change the way you drive. Number 1. HAPPYMATE Quick Fit Snow Chains. Conquer winter roads effortlessly with HAPPYMATE Quick Fit Snow Chains. These durable chains provide instant traction on snow and ice, ensuring safety without hassle. Easy to install and remove, they're perfect for sudden storms or winter road trips. Compact and lightweight, you can store them conveniently in your trunk. Don't risk slipping in treacherous conditions. Upgrade your car's winter readiness today. Stock is limited, so click the link now to grab these essential snow chains before they're gone. Number 2. SPTA Mini Dual Action Polisher. Bring professional shine to your car with the SPTA Mini Dual Action Polisher. This lightweight ergonomic polisher removes scratches and swirl marks with ease, giving your vehicle a showroom finish. Perfect for beginners and pros alike, it works on all paint surfaces without risk. The adjustable speed lets you customize every pass for maximum results. Don't wait to restore your car's brilliance, limited stock available. Click the link to get your hands on this essential detailing tool today. Number 3. SEDY Engine Oil Funnel Kit. Make oil changes clean and effortless with the SEDY Engine Oil Funnel Kit. Designed with multiple sizes and a spill-proof design, this kit ensures no mess while pouring oil. Durable, easy-to-clean material saves you time in the garage, and its compact design keeps it handy for emergencies. Avoid drips and wasted oil while maintaining your car like a pro. Limited quantities are available, so click the link now to grab this essential garage companion before it's gone. Number 4. Givifive Car Seat Gap Filler Set. Never lose coins or your phone between seats again. The Givifive Car Seat Gap Filler Set plugs those annoying gaps, keeping essentials within reach. Crafted with durable materials, it's easy to install and adds subtle style to your interior. Perfect for daily commutes or road trips, it prevents distractions and keeps your car cleaner. Stocks are limited, so don't wait. Click the link now to secure your set and transform your driving experience today. Number 5. MHCABSR Magnetic Wireless Backup Camera. Park confidently with the MHCABSR Magnetic Wireless Backup Camera. This easy-to-install gadget delivers a clear view of your rear, helping you avoid obstacles and accidents. Wireless connectivity keeps your dashboard clutter-free, while the magnetic mount allows quick adjustments. Perfect for any vehicle, it's ideal for tight spaces and parallel parking. Limited supplies available, so act fast. Click the link now to enhance safety and add convenience to every parking maneuver. Number 6. DREAMIZER Universal GT Car Spoiler. Upgrade your ride style and aerodynamics with the DREAMIZER Universal GT Car Spoiler. Lightweight yet sturdy, it enhances your car's sporty look while improving airflow for better performance. Easy to mount on most vehicles, it's perfect for DIY enthusiasts and style-conscious drivers. Make your car stand out on the street, or it meets with this sleek addition. Stock is running out fast, so click the link now to add a bold, functional touch to your vehicle today. Number 7. SPOBODY Rechargeable Car Door Projector. Add flair and safety to your car with the SPOBODY Rechargeable Car Door Projector. These bright LED projectors display logos on the ground when doors open, impressing friends while illuminating surroundings. Rechargeable and easy to install, they fit almost any vehicle effortlessly. Perfect for nighttime visibility and stylish entrances, they combine function with eye-catching design. Limited units are available, so don't miss out. Click the link now to upgrade your car's personality and practicality instantly. Number 8. SPOBODY Car Door Logo Lights. Step up your car's interior and exterior ambiance with SPOBODY Car Door Logo Lights. Customizable LED lights project logos on the ground, adding a premium feel to every entrance. Easy installation and universal compatibility make them a must-have accessory for car enthusiasts. Perfect for impressing friends and enhancing night visibility, these lights are both stylish and practical. Don't miss out. Stock is limited. Click the link now to light up your car and stand out on every arrival. Number 9. FIVKLEMNZ Waterproof Rooftop Cargo Bag. Travel smart with the FIVKLEMNZ Waterproof Rooftop Cargo Bag. This spacious, durable bag keeps your luggage safe from rain, snow, and dirt while expanding storage for road trips. Its secure straps ensure stability at high speeds, and the foldable design makes storage easy when not in use. Perfect for family vacations or camping adventures, it adds convenience and peace of mind. Limited supply available. Click the link now to elevate your travel game and carry more without stress. Number 10. DEXSO Universal Roof Rack Basket. Carry gear effortlessly with the DEXSO Universal Roof Rack Basket. Designed to fit most vehicles, it secures luggage, bikes, and sports equipment safely. Made from durable steel, it resists rust and harsh weather conditions, ensuring long-term reliability. Installation is straightforward with adjustable straps, and the open design allows easy loading and unloading. Don't wait to maximize cargo space. Limited units are available. Click the link now to add this versatile roof rack to your car today. Number 11. VEVOR 3-ton low-profile floor jack. Lift your vehicle safely and easily with the VEVOR 3-ton low-profile floor jack. Perfect for cars, SUVs, and trucks, its heavy-duty construction supports stable lifting. Low-profile design allows access to lower vehicles effortlessly, while smooth hydraulics provide effortless operation. Ideal for maintenance, tire changes, or DIY projects, it's a garage essential. Don't risk using inferior jacks. Limited stock available. Click the link now to secure this durable, reliable jack for safe and efficient lifting. Number 12. DGSL Carbon Fiber Door and Sill Protector. Protect your car's doors and sills in style with DGSL Carbon Fiber Door and Sill Protector. Resistant to scratches, dents, and scuffs, these high-quality protectors preserve your car's finish while adding a sporty look. Easy to install and fit most vehicles, they offer both function and aesthetic appeal. Perfect for busy families or urban driving, they keep your car looking new. Limited supply is available. Click the link now to protect and upgrade your vehicle today. Number 13. KELKSEEKS Hyundai Elantra Floor Mats Set. Keep your Elantra clean and stylish with KELKSEEKS floor mats. Precision fit mats protect against dirt, mud, and spills while adding comfort underfoot. Durable, easy-to-clean material ensures long-lasting performance, and sleek design complements your car's interior. Perfect for all seasons, they enhance hygiene and style effortlessly. Don't wait. Limited stock available. Click the link now to upgrade your car's interior and drive with confidence every day. Number 14. VEVOR 5-ton Electric Car Jack Kit. Simplify vehicle lifting with the VEVOR 5-ton Electric Car Jack Kit. This powerful jack lifts heavy vehicles safely and efficiently, making tire changes and repairs stress-free. Electric operation reduces effort, while sturdy construction ensures reliability. Compact and portable, it's perfect for garages or roadside emergencies. Don't compromise on safety. Limited stock is available. Click the link now to own this essential tool and make lifting your car easier and faster than ever before. Number 15. Axmore Car Trash Can with Lid. Keep your car spotless with the Axmore Car Trash Can with Lid. This compact leak-proof container holds waste neatly, preventing spills and odors. Convenient design fits most vehicles and keeps your interior tidy during road trips or daily commutes. The secure lid ensures no mess, while easy-to-clean material makes maintenance a breeze. Limited stock is available, so act fast. Click the link now to maintain a cleaner, fresher car effortlessly. Number 16. NBTEPEM Bling Car Cup Coasters. Add sparkle and protect your cup holders with NBTEPM Bling Car Cup Coasters. Stylish, durable, and easy to clean, these coasters prevent stains while elevating your car's interior. Perfect for coffee, drinks, or small items, they combine function with flair. Installation is simple and the universal size fits most vehicles. Limited quantities available. Click the link now to give your car a glamorous, practical upgrade that turns heads every time you drive. Number 17. Hizianello Carbon Fiber Steering Wheel Cover Set. Upgrade your grip and style with Hizianello Carbon Fiber Steering Wheel Covers. These durable, non-slip covers enhance comfort and control while protecting your wheel from wear and tear. Sleek design adds a sporty, modern look to your interior, and installation is simple. Perfect for daily commutes or long drives, it improves driving confidence and aesthetics simultaneously. Stock is limited. Click the link now to transform your steering wheel into a stylish, comfortable centerpiece today. Number 18. STACOOL Universal Car Armrest Console. Cover, protect, and upgrade your armrest with the STACOOL Universal Car Armrest Console cover. Crafted with soft, durable material, it adds comfort while shielding against scratches and wear. Easy to install and fit most vehicles, it keeps your interior looking fresh. Ideal for long drives, daily commuting, or family trips, it enhances both style and comfort. Limited stock is available, so click the link now to add this functional and stylish accessory to your car today. Number 19. HIMTRAC 12-inch wide rear view mirror extender. Drive safer with the HIMTRAC 12-inch rear view mirror extender. This innovative tool expands visibility for blind spots and larger vehicles, improving safety on highways and in traffic. Universal design fits most mirrors, and installation is fast and secure. Perfect for trucks, SUVs, or cars with trailers, it gives peace of mind on every drive. Limited units are available, so don't miss out. Click the link now to increase your rear view visibility instantly. Number 20. Car 80 Safe Car Jump Starter Multi-Tool. Be ready for emergencies with the Car 80 Safe Car Jump Starter Multi-Tool. Compact yet powerful, it starts your car, charges devices, and includes a handy flashlight. Perfect for road trips, commuting, or emergency kits, it's reliable when you need it most. Built-in safety features protect both you and your vehicle. Limited stock is available. Click the link now to ensure you're prepared for any roadside situation with this all-in-one tool. And there you have it, the 20 coolest car gadgets that can completely upgrade your ride. From ultimate safety tools to stylish accessories, each product makes driving easier, safer, and way more fun. Don't wait around. These items are flying off the shelves, and limited stock means they won't last long. Hit the links in the description right now to grab your favorites and give your car the upgrade it deserves. Your next adventure starts today.